Are you looking to make your Excel sheet stand out? In this quick guide, I will show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight rows based on salary values, making your data clear and visually impactful. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So in this example, you can see that I have the employee's name and next to it is the salary amount. And I want to highlight the employees based on the salary criteria that, for example, if they have salary more than or equal to a certain amount, that for example I have chosen a cut point of 50,000, then they should be highlighted in this row. For this purpose, first I need to select the data. Since I want to highlight the names as well as the salary, therefore I am selecting it as a whole. After selecting it, I'll go to the conditional formatting. I'll click on this new rule. I will choose use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here I need to put the formula. So here I will write equal. In conditional formatting, we know that the first cell is actually the reference point. Therefore, I will select this first salary amount in this data, and here I will remove the $sign before the row number but keep the column fixed. After this, I will write greater than or equal to the amount that I have put in this cell, that is 50,000, and I will keep it logged. Now for this condition, I need to select the formatting, that which formatting I would need. So for this purpose, I will click on this format, and here I have different conditional formatting that I can do for the numbers, font, border and fill color. And the first thing that I will do is the use of fill color. So I will select this color, and under the font I will also select the bold, and then I will click OK, and again I will click OK. So now you can see that the employees with the salary more than or equal to 50,000 are highlighted. I can change my criteria as per my need in this cell, and everything will be changed according to the criteria that I have set in this cell. An important thing to notice is that when I will select this conditionally format data and copy it and wanted to paste it somewhere else, you can see that the data also contain the conditional formatting along with it. If I don't need this, then instead of simply pasting the data, I have to right click and then choose the values to paste. So in this way, only the data will be pasted somewhere else, but the conditional formatting will not go along. Another thing is that if I don't need conditional formatting anymore and I want to remove it, I will select this data range, and then I'll go to the conditional formatting. I'll go to the clear rule, and here I can choose the clear rule from the selected cell, or I can choose clear rule from the entire sheet. Here I'll choose clear rule from the selected cells, and the conditional formatting is gone. I'm going to press Ctrl Z to revert changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can transform your Excel sheets into dynamic and easy to read visuals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Excel tips. See you next time.